Hey, hello students, how are you all? I hope you are all safe and sound. I am welcoming you all to the mathematics class now. This is for class 6. First, we are going to understand numbers under the chapter Knowing Our Numbers. In this chapter, there are 4 sessions. Among that, this one is the first session. Well, students, I guess you all had fun and enjoyed lots in this vacation. Now it's time to learn something new. Now, school has come to your doorstep now through this medium. Make use of it. We are well aware of numbers, isn't it? You might have used numbers in different situations and in different ways. So, here on the screen, you are seeing some numbers are there in different situations. In the first picture, you see some numbers are there which you have learnt in first standard, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on in counting. In the second picture, you are seeing numbers on a measuring tape. This is to measure length of object or cloths or something else. You might have seen numbers on vehicles too to recognize that vehicle. Let us move on to the next. Here on the screen, you are seeing some yellow balls are there. Can you just count and tell me how many balls are there? Yes. Are you counting? Yes. Correct. You have counted it correctly. There are 24 yellow balls. Very good, children. Here you observe the screen. Here some people are standing in a queue. Can you count and write it in your book? How many people are there standing in the queue? Yes. Yes, correct. 13 members are there in queue. What is this? It's a calendar. You might have seen in your house. So, here they have used some numbers from 1 to 31. What it represents? Yes, correct. Days and dates, like how many days are there in this month and how many Sundays will come in this month, like this. And in the corner, they have written 2021. What it represents? It represents year. Yes, correct. It represents year. Just write down, when is your birthday? Yes, that's also a number. So, numbers are well known to you all. Let's move on to the next. Here you are seeing an advertisement. You might have seen these type of advertisements in papers, handbills or pamphlets. Can you guess for what purpose they have written these numbers? Yes, they have written these numbers to identify, to mention the prices or values. We'll see the next one. Suppose your mom says you to buy milk for 40 rupees and rice for 550 rupees and sugar for 210 rupees. How much you have to pay for the shopkeeper? What you have to do here? Yes, you are all bright students. You will give 800 now. You have added all these which you have learnt in your previous classes. Like this, we are using numbers in different ways also. Like this, we are using numbers in different ways also, like counting population or counting scores. Like this, we can use numbers in different ways and in different situations. So, we have learnt gradually to handle larger numbers and also to represent them in symbols and graphs. Just recall what we learnt now. Numbers used to count things, to represent the volume and quantity, to say time and date, to understand price of an article, in addition, subtraction, multiplication and other mathematical function. To represent population, statistical data also, we can use numbers. Like this, we can use numbers in different situations in different ways also. Okay, we will see the next one. Can you just list out any 5 situations from your daily life in which numbers are used? Yes, you have to list out any 5 situations in which you use numbers in your daily life. Think. Okay, let me give you some clues. How do you get bus ticket from conductor? How to declare winning team in cricket match? What is the time now? Like this, you can write many different situations. I hope you will do it at home. In this picture, you can see 2 delicious fruits. One is apple and another one is watermelon. Mouth watering, no? Yes. What you have to do is, you have to compare these two fruits depending on their sizes. Yes, it's very easy. Which one is smaller? Yes, it's an apple. Apple is smaller one and watermelon is the bigger one. You guessed it correctly. What you did here? You compared the sizes of the fruits and you just easily said which one is smaller and which one is bigger. Good students. Well, students, if I give you some numbers, can you say which one is bigger and which one is smaller? Yes, here I have given two numbers 47 and 74. Can you say which one is bigger? Yes, 74 is the greatest number and 47 is the smallest number. See the other numbers. What you have to do is, you have to compare numbers. You know already how to compare and choose the correct one, which is greatest and which is smallest. Let's choose the smallest number here. I have given two numbers here, 92 and 392. You have to choose which one is smallest number here. Yes, you guessed it correctly. It is 92. Okay, let's see the next example. 55 and 45. Among these two numbers, which one is the smallest numbers? Yes, you identified it correctly. It's 45. We'll move on to the next one. Here, interesting numbers are there. It is 123 and 321. Among these two numbers, can you identify which one is the smallest? Yes, it is 123. Let's see the next example. I have given here three numbers 15, 12 and 91. You have to identify which one is the smallest number. Yes, it is 12. Very good, students. Next, we will take up the next example. I have given here four numbers, that is 25, 75, 55 and 35. You have to identify the smallest number among these four numbers. Yes, very good, children. I think you have written it correctly. Yes, it is 25. Very good, students. Let's move on to the next. So, here you have learnt how to compare numbers, how to identify the smallest number. Let us see other set of numbers and choose the greatest number. Okay, we'll take the first example, 92 and 392. Among these two numbers, which one is the greatest number? Yes, it is 392. Okay. Next, 55 and 45. Among these two numbers, you can easily identify, no? Yes, it is 55 is the greatest number among these two numbers. Yes, our interesting numbers are coming, 123 and 321. Among these two numbers, yes, it is 321 is the greatest number. Okay, I will give you another set of numbers. Here it's little bit confusing, no? That is 1902, 1920, 9201 and 9021 and 9210. In this example, I think it's little bit tougher to you. It's confusing? It's very simple. Just recall the place values. You will get the answer very easily. Yes, I think you are right. Yes, it is 9210. Let's move on to the next example. Here I have given four set of numbers, that is 92, 392, 4456 and 89,742. You have to identify the greatest number here. Yes, it is 89,742. Very good, students. Well done. Okay. So, you have learnt how to compare numbers, how to identify the greatest number and how to identify the smallest number. Let's move on to the next. Here you have to find the greatest and smallest number. Let's practice some more examples. I have given here 4 set of numbers, that is 4536, 4892 and 4370 and 4452. You have to identify both the greatest and the smallest number here. Yes. First we will write smallest number. Which one is the smallest number? Yes, very good children. It is 4370. You have guessed it correctly. Next, we will see the greatest number. Which one is the greatest number? Yes, it is 4892. Well done children. So, we will take up the next example. Here I have given 4 set of numbers, that is 6895, 2378 and 2569 and 2659. You have to identify which one is greatest and which one is the smallest. Yes, smallest number is, yeah, it is 2378. And which one is the greatest number? Yes, it is 6895. Very good children. Okay, now we are going to do another activity with numbers only. You are all thinking that how to play with numbers. Definitely we can play. How you know that? See here. How many numbers can you make? See, we have 4 digits, 7, 8, 3, 5. So, in first case, all these 4 numbers written under place values. Then it becomes 7, 8, 3, 5. So, with respect to the place value, it becomes 7835. If you are interchanging the places, what will happen? We will see. We will change 8 in thousands place, 7 in hundreds place, keep 5 in tens place and 3 in ones place. Which number found? It is 8753. Now, you read this number 8753. Like that, you can make another number. Now, you put 3 in thousands place, 5 in hundreds place, 7 in tens place and 8 will be in unit place. Here what is the condition is, we have to use 4 digits without repeating now. Now you read, this becomes 3578. So, like this you can make many numbers. Try it and write 2 more numbers like this. We will take another example like this. 5, we will put 5 in thousands place, 100, 8 in hundreds place, 3 in tens place and 7 in ones place. Which number has formed? It is 5837. Well, you have learnt how to make numbers using the given digits. Yes, let us see another example. Here I am giving another 4 numbers, that is 5, 4, 0, 3. Using these 4 digits, you have to make different 4 digit numbers in such a way that no digit is repeated in them. You know the condition. So, again we will take the place values. So, do the same thing again. The condition you have understood, the same digit should not be used in 2 places. Okay, start now, hurry up. First write down all the digits as it is. That is 5 in thousands place, 4 in hundreds place, 0 in tens place and 3 in ones place. Then it becomes 5403. If you are interchanging the place value, in first place the number we can get is 5430. If you are interchanging the another set of numbers, then we will get If you put 0 in thousands place, 3 in hundreds place, 4 in tens place and 5 in ones place, which number you got? Yes, it is 345. Though it is a smaller number, but we cannot consider this number here. Why? Because it is not a 4-digit number. So, what will we do? We will replace the thousands place by 3 and put 0 in hundreds place, and 4 will remain in tens place and 5 will remain in the ones place. So, which number we got? 3045. Okay. Well, students, you all know how to make numbers. Oh, we can see a cute puppy here. Yes, it is very cute, no? What will come next? Ant. Yes. And then here it comes elephant. It is all beautiful animals, no? So, what you have to do is, you have to compare these animals with their size. You have to arrange it in a proper order, in the increasing order or decreasing order. First we will put ant and puppy in the middle place and elephant in the first place, because we have arranged in an increasing order. Arrange it in increasing order like this. Now, these animals are arranged in their size from smaller to bigger. So, these are in ascending order. We will call it as ascending order. Like this, we can arrange in decreasing order also. It is called descending order. Suppose these animals are arranged in their size from bigger to smaller, then we will say decreasing order. So, these are in decreasing order. Arrange these trees in proper order. Okay, let us see another example. Here I have given a tree of height 100 feet and 50 feet and 70 feet height tree and a smaller tree 25 feet. You have to arrange these trees in proper order. Okay, 25 feet, 50 feet, 75 feet and 100 feet. Very good, children. Arrange these materials on their prices from cheaper to costlier. I have given here a fridge for 15,000 and a toy car for 350 rupees and a cute doll for 150 rupees and a bicycle for 7,500 rupees. You have to compare the prices and you have to put the cheaper one in the first place. Arrange these materials on their prices from cheaper to costlier. Yes, we have arranged it. Doll in the first place because it is very cheaper, it is 150 rupees. And next, toy car for 350 rupees and a bicycle for 7,500 rupees and a fridge of 15,000 rupees. Yes, ascending order. Ascending order means arrangement from the smallest to greatest. Yes, see what is ascending order? Ascending order means arrangement of numbers from smallest to greatest. You can verify here. Just a step you are climbing up, the numbers are increasing from smallest to greatest. You can see here it is increasing, it is in increasing order. If the arrangement is from greatest to smallest, is called descending order. It is called descending order. You can see here you are stepping down here. Yes, I think you have understood the concept. Okay, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Here I have given 4 set of numbers, that is 847, 9,754 and 8,320 and 571. You have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. You know what is ascending order now? It's from smallest to greatest. So, which one is the smallest number? 571. then we will put 847 and then we will put 8320 and 9754. Yes, very good children. We'll take up the next example. Yes, here also I have given 4 set of numbers, but it is little bit larger numbers. Here 9802, 25,751 and 38,802 and 36,501. So, you have to arrange it in ascending order, that means from smallest to greatest. Yes, which one is smallest here? 9802, correct. Next number 25,751 and here it comes 36,501 and the least one and the greatest one is 38,802. Yes, well done students. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Let us practice some numbers in descending order. Here I have given 4 set of numbers, that is 5,000, 7,500, 85,400 and 7,861. You have to arrange these numbers in descending order. So, we will put the greatest number first, that is 85,400 and 7,861, 7,500 and 5,000, because it is smallest number. Let us take next example. Here 88,715 and 45,321 and 1,971 and 92,547. You have to arrange in descending order. So, we will take the greatest number first, that is 92,547, 88,715 and 45,321 and 1,971. Yes, I think you have all learnt this concept. So, you know how to compare numbers and how to arrange the numbers in ascending order and descending order. Yes, we will move on to the next one. So, from the picture and activities, you have learnt ascending order and descending order very nicely, isn't it? I hope you all enjoyed. Now, let us play another game with the numbers only. Yes. How? See, I have given 795 here. What you have to do is, you have to shift the digits, means you have to put 5 in the hundreds place and 7 in the units place. It is called shifting digits. By shifting digits, we will get a new number. So, 795 is the former number and we have 7, 9 and 5. You have to interchange the numbers. So, we got a new number. It is 597. Is it greater than the former number? Yes. Greater number from the former one or the smallest? Yes, it is smallest number, because its 597 is the smallest comparing to the former number. We will take up some more examples like this, that is 3, 8, 6 we have, means 386. This is the former number and we will interchange 3 and 6. What will happen? See, it is 683. Which one is greater from the former number? Yes, here 386 is the smaller number and 683 is the greater number. In 952, here also we are shifting the digits. That means we got a new number 259, which is a smallest number. I hope you had fun. Finally, let us just recall what are the things we have learnt in this class. we have understood what are numbers, and then we compared numbers which are smaller and greater, and then how to form a number by placing those numbers in different place values. Afterward, we have learnt ascending order and descending order. That means arranging the numbers from smallest to greatest and greatest to the smallest number. And finally, we have learnt shifting digits with the help of very interesting activity. So, do not forget all these points, remember these points, do extra activities which are given in your textbook. Thank you. Before closing this section, I want to give you an assignment. That is, you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order and descending order. I have given 4 set of numbers, that is 8427, 238 and 516 and 708. You have to arrange these numbers both in ascending order and descending order. Next, 871, 345, 2314 and 786. Here also you have to write both ascending and descending order. Thank you students. Stay safe, stay home, learn more. Thank you so much.